Have you ever wondered how some creators seem to be everywhere? They're posting YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn posts, tweets, blogs, and somehow they still have time to sleep. Meanwhile, most people struggle to finish one video. So what's their secret? Are they working harder, hiring expensive teams, or do they know something that the rest of us don't? Well, what I'm about to show you might completely change the way you create content. Because these 5 AI prompts are helping creators save hours every single week. And the fourth one, honestly, it feels almost unfair. Let's start with something every creator struggles with: coming up with ideas. You sit down, open your laptop, and suddenly, your brain goes blank. Sound familiar? Most people think creativity is the problem. But here's the surprising part. The problem usually isn't creativity, it's direction. That's why successful creators are using AI differently. Instead of asking, "Give me some video ideas," they're asking AI to think like a strategist. Imagine having your own YouTube consultant, available 24 hours a day. Pretty amazing, right? Try asking AI something like this. Act as a YouTube growth strategist. My niche is AI tools. My audience is beginners and creators. Generate 20 highly searchable video ideas based on trends, beginner questions, and future topics. And suddenly, instead of getting random suggestions, you get ideas with actual potential. But that's not even the best part, because having ideas means nothing if people click away after 30 seconds. And that's exactly where the second prompt comes in. Most viewers decide whether they're staying or leaving within seconds, which means your script matters more than ever. Now here's something most people don't know. AI doesn't naturally write for retention. If you simply say, "Write a YouTube script," you'll probably get something boring, generic, predictable. And let's be honest, nobody wants that. Instead, ask AI to write using curiosity loops, pattern interrupts, storytelling, and audience engagement. Suddenly, your videos start feeling less like lectures and more like conversations. And speaking of conversations, let's talk about thumbnails, because you could have the greatest video in the world, but if nobody clicks, none of it matters. Think about your own behavior. When you're scrolling YouTube, what makes you stop? It's emotion, curiosity, mystery. That's exactly why smart creators are using AI to brainstorm thumbnail ideas. Instead of guessing, they're asking AI to analyze titles, identify emotional triggers, and generate multiple thumbnail concepts. And what happened next changed everything. Because many creators discovered that thumbnails they would have never thought of themselves actually performed the best. Which brings us to prompt number 4. And trust me, this one is worth staying for. Imagine creating one video and turning it into 20 pieces of content. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Because creators are now using AI to repurpose everything. One YouTube video becomes shorts, Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts, Twitter threads, newsletters, even blog articles. One piece of work, multiple platforms, and suddenly, content creation stops feeling overwhelming. Instead of constantly starting from zero, you're multiplying what you've already created. And honestly, that's one of the biggest mindset shifts successful creators have made. But wait, there's one more prompt. And this one might be the most powerful of all, because most people use AI to create. But elite creators? They use AI to criticize. Sounds strange, but think about it. Athletes have coaches, businesses have consultants, writers have editors. So why shouldn't creators have feedback too? Ask AI to review your scripts, your titles, your thumbnails, your videos. Tell it to be brutally honest. Tell it to find weak hooks, missed opportunities, and boring sections. Because sometimes, the difference between a good video and a great one isn't what you add, it's what you remove. But here's something I wish more people understood. AI isn't replacing creators. It's removing the busy work. It's giving people back their time. Time to learn, time to create, time to spend with family, time to focus on ideas instead of repetitive tasks. And maybe That's the real superpower of AI. Not working more, but finally having the freedom to work smarter. And that's not even the secret most creators are missing, because there's one sentence, just one, that can make every single AI prompt dramatically better. And chances are, almost nobody is using it. We'll cover that in the next video. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. So let's quickly recap. Prompt number 1 helps you generate better ideas. Prompt number 2 helps you create scripts people actually watch. Prompt number 3 improves your thumbnails. Prompt number 4 transforms one piece of content into many. And prompt number 5 turns AI into your personal content coach. Simple, practical, and capable of saving hours every single week. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more AI tools, prompt engineering, and YouTube growth strategies. And tell me down in the comments, which prompt are you going to try first? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? I'd genuinely love to know. And until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and let's grow together.
If you are serious about your future, like, share, and subscribe. You grow, I grow. Let's grow together.